Whew. So hello everyone, and till now in our Home Assistant journey, we tried controlling our home appliances with the help of Home Assistant dashboard as well as the Siri voice assistant, and now we are adding one more widget, one more feature to our Home Assistant series, and that is to stream live videos straight from ESP32 Cam. Let me show you the demo. So let's start this project by configuring the ESP32 Cam board to stream its video on a local IP address, and for that we'll straight away go to the Arduino IDE and open up the example code called as camera web server. Now this is the built-in example code which you can get easily by going into the examples into ESP32 into camera web server. This is the same example code that we are going to use for our Home Assistant live streaming project, and here inside this code you need to do couple of changes. And first of all, the changes is you need to uncomment this particular development board or ESP32 Cam board you can say, and comment all other boards. After that, just provide the SRE name and password of your Wi-Fi router on which the Home Assistant server is running on. This is a very important because everything will be running in local area network only, so everything should be connected in the same Wi-Fi network only. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the only change you need to do. And now you need to be very careful while uploading the code onto the ESP32 board because there are a couple of parameters that you need to take care while uploading the code, otherwise the code won't get uploaded. So here the configuration code, like you need to select the ESP32 Rover module. Upload speed should be 11.5200, frequency should be 80 megahertz, flash mode should be QIO, partition scheme, this is really very important, it should be UJPP, and then you just need to select the COM port. Now, are you wondering how I am uploading the ESP32 code inside the ESP32 Cam board? Well, I am using my previously made ESP32 Cam programming shield which I have already installed onto my Arduino IDE. So this shield I have made out of one PCB. Okay, I designed the PCB on Easy EDA, and after that I placed the order in GLC PCB from where I got this amazing PCBs for programming the ESP32 Cam board. And well, even you can go for a GLC PCB for your own PCB related projects. You just need to upload the Gerber file of your PCB project, select the color masking if you want it, just like here I chose the black color masking, and just pay for your order. And if you select the fastest delivery option, you may get the PCBs delivered at your doorstep within a week. So do try GLC PCB for ordering such amazing PCBs for such amazing PCB projects. Okay, so yeah, I'm using this shield, and if you want to know more about this shield and how I'm using it, you can watch out my previous video about this shield particularly, whose link is in the I button as well as in the description. Hopefully I will add it because every time I forget to add this link in the I button. Okay, so that's it about this shield and programming part. So I will be selecting the Arduino Uno board on the shield is installed, okay, on which the shield is installed, and that's it. I'll straight away hit the upload button, but make sure you put the ESP32 Cam board inside the boot mode. Now if you don't know how to put that into the boot mode, you can watch out that same video, but basically the concept is the GPIO 0 of the ESP32 Cam board should be connected to ground before powering up the board, or rather what you can do is you can pull the GPIO 0 to ground, and then you can just reset the board. It will go inside the boot mode. Okay, and after that, after going inside the boot mode, it will start uploading the code onto the board. So that's the one thing that you have to take care about. Now after successfully uploading the code, you just need to open the serial monitor, and after that you just need to reset the ESP32 Cam board, and hopefully it should give us the local IP address. Yes, it says Wi-Fi connected, and here is the local IP address. You just need to copy this local IP address. I'll copy it, and I'll open the web browser. I'll open the new tab here. Hopefully I should be able to do that. Okay, so yeah, here is the local IP address. If I click on this and if I click on start stream, as you can see, it is streaming the video on the local IP address, so it is working pretty fine. And you can change the resolution from here. Okay, I can increase the resolution to 480 to 320, and this works pretty smooth. And if I increase the resolution way more, it will start lagging a bit. As you can see, it's not that much smooth right now, so it is lagging a little bit. But if I keep the what you can say resolution to 640, it is pretty smooth, right? It is pretty smooth, pretty fluent, pretty liquid, you can say. So it's not at all lagging. That's the thing. That's the thing which I need to share. Okay, but what you need to do is you need to enter one single IP address onto the Home Assistant side to stream that video. Okay, you can't add this IP address because this is loading the whole web page, but I'll let you know which IP address you need to add. But before that, let's configure the Home Assistant platform. So I'll go to the Home Assistant platform. Now, I already covered a couple of episodes on Home Assistant, like how to install it, how to use the ESPHome in Home Assistant, also how to use that what you can say Siri voice assistant in the Home Assistant. And yeah, that's what that all is covered already. You can watch out all these episodes in our Home Assistant series, which link is in the description. I will definitely try to add that. If I'm not adding that, to let me know in the comments. Okay, so till now what we've done is we are controlling the lights and fans and everything using the Home Assistant platform. On the back you can see the lights, like the logo light, which is turned on with the help of this Home Assistant platform. And I can also turn that ring light on using this. Okay, so this is all working till now. Okay, but what I did is I want to add one more feature to it, which is streaming live video along with controlling. Okay, so this feature is not going anywhere. I'm adding a new feature to it, and for that you just need to click on this and edit dashboard, click on add card. Now luckily there is a card already in this Home Assistant platform by default, which is the picture. Okay, so this picture card can stream video, can show a image using a URL basically. Okay, so you just need to enter the URL here and you're good to go to do anything using that URL. So now to stream the ESP32 Cam video on Home Assistant, you first need to copy this URL. No, there is one catch. You need to add one more thing, because as you can see, by entering this UI or URL, I'm not able to see anything in that window. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to click type 81/stream. Okay, so by typing this, oh my god, where it is? I need to click on. I need to edit this. Okay, so by doing this, you should be able to see the video. Okay, let me just click on the stop stream here, because it is okay. It is only allowed to stream one device at a time. And now as you can see, there is the streaming happening inside the Home Assistant platform. And that's pretty much it. If I click on cancel, and yeah, as you can see, here is a Home Assistant platform. I'll click on the done button. So here is our Home Assistant platform in which I'm streaming this live video. And not only that, I can also control these lights. Okay, as you can see, these lights I'm able to control using this same Home Assistant platform. So it's pretty cool, right? So we can add different cards for multiple things, and all inside the same dashboard. And if you can access this dashboard from tablet and smartphone. And my agenda was the same, like I want to control the studio and also monitor some of the important parameters like this live streaming on that same tablet. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll install this whole project inside the entrance or at the entrance of our techiesms studio. And now let's just see this project working in action in our studio. Let me show you. So as you saw, I was able to stream all the people coming through the stairs inside my studio using this Home Assistant dashboard with the help of the ESP32 Cam. I hope you liked another episode of our Home Assistant series, because we are doing multiple things to make your home automation project way more useful, way more fun as well. So do click the like button if you really enjoyed this part of Home Assistant. Also let me know in the comments about what do you want to learn more inside this Home Assistant series, and I'll definitely try to make that project just for you lovely people. And yeah, subscribe my channel if you want to see more such interesting projects in the field of IoT, home automation, electronics, AI, AR, and so many different stuff, because we are constantly working on those technologies. And yeah, that being said, I am just ending this video here and now. Just wait for my next one. Explore, learn, share with me, techiesms.